Good morning friends. General Science, Class 8, Chapter 3, Force and Pressure, Part 6. Students, in this part we learn about the pressure on the solids. When a weight is kept on a solid, when weight is placed on the solid, it exerts a pressure on the solid, and the pressure exerted by the weight depends upon the two factors. Number 1, the value of weight, and number 2, the contact area between weight and solid. Students, suppose I kept a 1 kilogram of mass on your head. You can easily carry it because less or few pressure will be exerted by the mass. But if I kept a 50 kilogram of mass on your head, you cannot carry it. It will hurt to you because the pressure. Let's see the activity based on pressure on solid. Students, I have taken a board and some coins for these purposes. Students, we have seen that when a weight is placed on a solid, it exerts a pressure on the solid, and this pressure depends upon two factors. Number 1, value of weight. Let's see how the pressure exerted by the solid depends upon the value of pressure, value of weight. Suppose this is a one coin, single coin. Now the board is horizontal, plane, no weight is present on that board. When I kept a one coin, single coin on this board, then it bends slightly. But suppose this weight is 1 gram. If I increase the weight, so when I place 2 again coin, then it bends at more extent. What can it show? It shows that the value of the pressure exerted by the weight depends upon its value. In first condition, weight is less, and in second condition, weight is more, and hence it bends at more extent, means pressure exerted at more extent. Then the pressure exerted by the weight on the solid also depends upon the surface area between weight and the solid. At first, these 3 coins I placed on this board side by side. 1, 2 and 3. Here surface area of the weight is more and the board bends slightly. But when I placed these 3 coins at the center, one above the other, what happens? Let's see. These are the 3 coins. I placed them at the center of this board, one by one above the another. Then the board bends at more extent. Why? Because in first case, the surface area between weight and solid is more. And in second case, and in this case, the surface area between wet and solid means board is less, and hence more pressure will be exerted on the board, and hence it is said that the pressure exerted by the solids depends upon the area between surface area between wet and solid. Examples of pressure on solid. Students, you must have been seen a vegetable vendor carrying basket on the head. She kept a piece of twisted cloth on the head below the basket. What is the use of this twisted cloth to her? Because the reason is the pressure exerted by the weight of basket is spread on large area, and hence it is easy to carry this basket, and hence a vegetable vendor carrying baskets of fruits and vegetables kept a piece of twisted cloth on the head below the basket. Students, it is not easy to stand at one place for a long time. Then how can we sleep for a long time on the bed up to 8 to 10 hours? The reason is when we are standing, then the pressure of weight of our body are exerted on a small area. But when we are asleep, then the weight of our body exerted on a large area, and hence it is easy to sleep for a long time. Students, why long and flat sky are used for skiing on the ice? What is the reason? Why long and flat sky are used for skiing on the ice? Due to long and flat skies, the weight of our body are spread on larger area, and due to this it is easy to ski on the ice, and hence skies which are used for ski on ice are long and flat.